Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.